Good morning, sunshine. Look who I'm in bed with. This is, I believe, her name is Isabel, Girl of the Year. What year are you? I can't remember. My daughter done did her hair. She's looking so pretty. Let's see. Her hair is nicely done. So she's in bed with me. I don't know why. Let me switch to my son. Say good morning. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning, sunshine. Say good morning, sunshine. I'm looking rough because I need to get up and get dressed. Hi, sunshines. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go. All right, guys. We got to go. We got to go. Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere.
Are we going to Toys R Us? Turn off the TV in Mommy's room. True?
Turn off the TV in my room. Where's my purse? Let him do it. Where's my purse? Is it here? Get my purse. And my jacket. Okay, so we are heading out. Be quiet. Come on out.
Look what's on my finger. Racy.
What's on your finger?
Blood is on my finger.
I don't think there's any blood on your finger.
No, there's white blood. See? It's not creeping people out.
There's no such thing as white blood. Is it?
White blood.
Oh.
I like the silence.
We are on our way to Walmart. Somebody said Toys R Us, I don't know. Bath and Body Works. It rained.
We're going to Toys R Us.
It rained.
I didn't even. Well, good thing we didn't win.
It rained.
Good thing we didn't come out here. Yeah.
I know it was supposed to rain.
It looks like a zombie is a puppet.
Looks good though.
It looks like a zombie.
Where's Mommy's car? Oh.
Because there's nobody in sight.
Lily, your hair came out.
What
are you doing?
What
is she doing?
Look good. It looks like a zombie apocalypse. No one in sight.
I never know what my kids are up to. Okay. It feels good out today. To be honest, it feels really good. Come in and be nice.
Okay.
Why would you do that? Why? Why, Jason? Get out the car and let your brother in.
First.
Like he goes in the middle and you're gonna hop in and just leave the younger brother out there. So we are. Let me turn down some of this noise. So we're going to Walmart. Because I have to pick up some more stuff. We're going to Walmart, and then we're going to
Toys R Us.
I don't know. Where are we going, Emily?
Toys R Us.
Toys R Us? Are you sure?
Yes.
You want to vlog?
No. Yes.
Yeah.
Daddy,
You're in charge.
Toys R Us. Hi. I was at home.
You were at home?
Watching TV.
Who brought my purse?
Gio's and the log too.
Okay. Jackson, put your back on or this car's not moving.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Toys R Us.
Yes, Jackson. So, we are back home doing our chores.
Hi.
Yes, honey.
Oh my
So, I went to Bath and Body Works, and I got me sweater weather. And the lady was so nice. She was like, these are not out yet, but I called and they said it was okay for me to sell it to you. So, yay! I have the sweater weather. I'm about to burn it right now.
Oh my god.
Oh, I can't tell you guys what it smells like. It's heaven.
Mommy.
Yes, honey.
And this is not Isabel, this is Sage.
Okay, that is Sage. I am so sorry for calling your doll by its wrong name. I saw your face too. I saw your face too.
Where?
Somebody come get this 30-year-old woman out of my house.
I'm not 30 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 7. 60.
Oh.
I'm 7.
Okay.
I'm 7.
I think I would know how old you are.
I'm 7.
Oh, heaven.
Let me smell. Let me smell.
It. So nosy. You're so nosy. You don't like it? You don't like it?
Yeah.
Go clean your room. Alright, after that, clean your room and take out the trash. Thank you. Clean your room, take out the trash. Because grandma's coming. Clean your room and then take out the trash. How are you going to play American Girl doll with your room looking? Don't show them? Okay. She said not to show you guys her room. I will show them after you're finished, okay? I'm cleaning my bathroom, guys. Yours is a mess. Clean it up. So, yeah, I'm cleaning my bathroom. And, I was supposed to cook, but I'm not going to. Where's the scrubbing bubbles, guys? Bring me the scrubbing bubbles. So I'm gonna finish cleaning my bathroom. And my husband is working today and it's Sunday. I miss my husband. Where's the scrubbing bubble? Go find it. Say hi, Jordan. You never.
Hi. What does that smell?
I don't know.
It smells like.
What it smells like?
It smells like toilet.
Because I'm cleaning the toilet. What else do you expect it to smell like?
Okay.
What does cleaning toilet smell like? I'm about to burn me something. I don't know what I should burn. I have a whole bunch of these guys. So, autumn gathering. I think I'm gonna burn this one. I think I'm gonna burn that one in my bathroom. I'm gonna burn sweater weather in my sweater weather in my bath. No, in my room. But I went to Walmart, got some more pregnancy tests, and that's it. This smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Hold on.
Wait, go ahead. Hi, guys. You can talk, Mommy.
I thought you were going to talk.
Yeah.
You had this elaborate speech going. What happened?
I don't know.
Are you tired?
Yes.
I'm not tired.
Every time I have to clean up
What?
my room.
Do people hear this, child? Is that an excuse?
And that's
Is that an excuse?
Are you done?
What?
What's your bathroom?
I am. I'm finished.
There's still ants here.
I'm not responsible for the ants.
I don't like ants.
Well, too bad. They're here.
Because they're crawling on.
They're not crawling on you. They're crawling on the floor.
They're crawling on people's.
Well, you can't worry about other people. Worry about yourself.
Okay, I'll worry about myself.
Alright. I love you, Illy Billy.
Oh.
What are you doing?
You trying to catch this fly?
Stop. You stop.
Ow.
Did you catch it?
No.
Okay.
It's still there.
Alright.
It's in front of me. I don't know why.
Guys, I'm gone. Actually, let me turn. Okay, guys. So, I'm gone. There's nothing else happening here. Mother-in-law coming. She should be here any minute. House is clean. Well, my bathroom is clean. My house is... My husband cleaned up the house yesterday, so I don't have to worry about that. There's nothing else happening here. My husband is not getting home until late. So he works a lot. That's why you guys don't see him in the vlogs unless he's off or something. Because he works a lot of long hours to take care of us. Love my husband. That's about it. I'm done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we are up to 31 sunshines. So hello to all my new sunshines. If you're just tuning in with us, my name is Janice, or Jace for short. You know, welcome. Have a seat and enjoy. And I will try to have, you know, vlogs that are entertaining so that you guys can, you know, enjoy your subscription. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Guys, it's there. It's real. This is real.